Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Your favorite series is now back, a pack opening series. Today we are going to open two different packs. We'll start with the most important one, which is the one from the UTOTS event. As you already know, the UTOTS event is live and we have an interesting pack in store just with FIFA points or gems. You already know who he is. It's Cristiano Ronaldo, an 100 overall card with unbelievable stats. The skill move is also good. If you check this card on the market, it costs around 2 million coins, if I'm not wrong. Let's check it out. $2,018,000. So as you can see, some people got it, so maybe we were going to be lucky and get him from these packs. Let's do it. We will start by spending 200 FIFA points, and then probably we are trying to go with the gems and see how far we can get with these gems. I don't think I'm going to spend my FIFA points because maybe I'll use them later for the UTOTS pass. Let's start with the first one. Okay, so we weren't lucky at this point. I'm just thinking if I should go on this one also with FIFA points. I think I'm just going to open 3 more and see what's going on. Maybe I will use the gems for all of them. Let's go. Okay, so the second one was not lucky. Let's go. Okay, unlucky again. And the last one. Come on FIFA Mobile, please. 5,000 UTOTS tickets. Come on, please. No. And as you can see, we don't have any more. But I will open some packs for Nesta. It seems like we didn't get lucky in neither of those exchanges, but we'll see in the future. Maybe we will do the same with some other exchanges in the future, depending on your opinion. Also on my Instagram at Fifa Mobile. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully next time is going to be better, and see you in the next video. Bye.